Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorial. Today we are back with another video on LinkedIn. Earlier we have seen one video on LinkedIn in which there was some talk about the LinkedIn assessment badge, like how you can get the LinkedIn assessment badge very easily within 5 minutes. So most of you appreciated that video, and if you haven't watched that video, you can watch that video. That is also very useful. On LinkedIn you barely see any video or any content which is specifically talking about the how to get admission in the masters and the PhD, what are the various fellowships, what are the various grants available. Most of the time there is a talk about the jobs and what are the various kind of jobs, how can you make connections over there, how you can get various certifications. These kind of videos, these kind of contents are familiar, but today's video is quite different because I'll be sharing with you one post on LinkedIn which is by my friend Priyanshu Sharma and one of her colleague Pooja. They have collaborated in this initiative that they are posting weekly contents in the format of the webinars on the research and the academia resources in India and opportunities available for the Indian researchers, including software demonstration, libraries, resources in material science related fields, and different fellowships and the grants which will be helpful for your masters or PhD, or if you want to know about the various opportunities available in this field in academia. So these will be very useful. So I'm sharing with you one such post, so you get an idea like how you can also search various things on the LinkedIn and get benefited according to your requirement, right? One requirement is job requirement, but another requirement could be the research requirement, the requirement of knowing what are the various career plan regarding what are the various future scopes of various courses which you can take, right? So most of the candidates who are aiming for masters or PhD applications, so there is one file, 16 pages PDF they have shared. So this is named as the B Science Positive this 2022. So this is 16 pages PDF which they have shared, in which there is mention of the masters PhD application, grants funds, and various these things. So I'll be sharing with you this link by which you can go, and you can also follow their profile, both of them profiles, and I'll be sharing with you some links in the description, like WhatsApp group which you can follow. I will quickly show you what are the contents of this PDF so that you can get a rough idea. Like firstly they have told you about the admission updates. If I show you here that they have told firstly about the admission updates, then it is specifically for the IIT Delhi PhD Masters, and then IIT Madras Masters admission, then IIT Madras PhD admission. They have given the important dates and the link from where you can apply IIT Bombay admission, then PhD admission for IIT Bombay, MTech admission, MA plus PhD dual degree admission in IIT Bombay, and then IIT Bombay Masters in Research Administration, this application, then MPP IIT Bombay, and then IIT Kharagpur, IIT Hyderabad, and then again Hyderabad, IIT Kanpur there, and IIT Bhilai, IIT Jodhpur, and then IIT BHU. You can see that various PhD and masters applications are there. So students are requested to visit the websites, which websites you need to visit, so that is mentioned. So that is one thing that for intro, but one interesting thing is there which is missing in various PPD, like fellowships. So various fellowships they have talked about, starting from PMRF, SCRB, CII, doctoral fellowship, then Power Fellowship, then Teachers Associate for Research Excellence, Inspire Fellowship, Quad Fellowships. So links they have provided, and further details if you want to know, you can just ask in the comment sections being there, and you can visit these websites. There are the sufficient details provided on these websites. So I'll not be sharing this PDF with you because that is copyrighted to them. You can go to their link, and from that link you can download that PDF. Okay, this Kalam Excellence fellowship, and then Fulbright Kalam climate fellowships, how you can get criterias, and Indo-US fellowships, all these are mentioned. Then these are grants and fund, right? These are various grants which are provided, so you get a gist about these. And they've also created a WhatsApp group, and you can connect to their profile. They have a good knowledge about the nanotechnology research, and currently like Priyanshu is working as the project research associate at the CSIR. So you can get a good detail about the various webinars and various other things related to the academia and research from them. and not only from them but also on various other sources on the LinkedIn. You can just type some keywords, related keywords which you want to find, and you can use LinkedIn also as a source to get information regarding SCI and webinar, regarding academia benefits of yours, whether that be in the PhD, how to check for the plagiarism, how to check for the various other things. So you can how to know how to apply in the various other institutes. So these are various things which are also in the scope of the LinkedIn. Job is one thing, profile is one thing, social networking is one thing, but this is also one feature of it which I thought you need to know. And if you like this content, you can follow their profiles and get to know more from them on the weekly basis. Apart from this, on this channel I'll be uploading various job updates and various updates regarding LinkedIn and these kind of websites from which you can get knowledge, from which where you can get job, from where you can get inspiration for your future goals. So all these things will be shared here, online video tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you. I hope you like the content. If there is some doubt from your side, some suggestion from your side, most welcome. You can ask in the comment section. Share this with your friends also. See you in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy learning.